In this video, I'll show you how to set out of office in new Outlook. If you're going to be away from work and want Outlook to reply for you automatically, the feature you need is called Automatic Replies. In New Outlook for Windows, Microsoft says you can turn this on from the View tab by opening View Settings, then going to Accounts and Automatic Replies. That is the main settings path for out-of-office replies in New Outlook. To begin, open New Outlook and make sure you're in the Mail view. Then go to the top and click View and select View Settings. In the Settings panel, choose Accounts, then click Automatic Replies. When that page opens, turn on the Automatic Replies toggle. Once you do that, Outlook is ready to send your out-of-office message automatically. Next, if you only want the reply to be active for a certain period, turn on Send Replies only during a time period. Then enter your start date, start time, end date, and end time. This is helpful because Outlook can switch the out-of-office reply off automatically when you return, so you don't have to remember to do it manually later. Now type the message you want people inside your organization to receive. Microsoft says you can format this message using the text tools available there, so you can keep it simple or make it look a little cleaner. A good out-of-office message usually includes that you're away, when you'll be back, and who to contact if something is urgent. If you also want people outside your organization to get a reply, turn on Send Replies outside your organization and type a separate message for them. Microsoft warns that sending replies outside your organization can send your automatic response to every incoming message, including newsletters, ads, and even junk mail. Because of that, Microsoft recommends choosing the option to send replies only to your contacts when that option is available. When everything looks right, click Save. Your out-of-office reply is now active in New Outlook. One more thing to remember is that Microsoft says automatic replies are not supported for Gmail, Yahoo, or other POP and IMAP accounts in New Outlook. So this feature works best with supported Microsoft or work and school accounts. So the steps are simple. Open View Settings, go to Accounts, choose Automatic Replies, turn it on, add your dates and message, and save it. That's how to set out of office in New Outlook. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.